So today I'm going to be showing you the new cubicle.us cube from MoU. I took off the MoU sticker today, and it came today. I'm so happy. Good turning, corner cutting, without finger trick. Whoa. Corner cutting. So much. It's good. It's like good corner cutting. So let's do a first solve on it. Now let's try a different solve. Now let's try a new different way. Now let's try a different way. There we go. Please like, comment, and have a wonderful day. Have a blessed day. And please give this video a big thumbs up, because you know these cubes are rare. And yeah, so thanks for watching. Bye.